Erratic rainfall is extremely important for Indian agriculture. Total cereal production in India tallies very closely with the total amount of rainfall. But the total amount of rainfall varies a lot from year to year and from even district to district. Sometimes it varies from village to village. In the drier parts of India, erratic rainfall causes tremendous amounts of distress. In the irrigated parts of India, erratic rainfall puts pressure on groundwater supplies, on which farmers are extremely dependent. India has made great strides in recording and predicting rainfall. So we have advance notice, we have predictions on how the rainfall is going to be in this particular year. And IMD, the department responsible for doing this for the Government of India, has put together monthly data sets at the district level on total rainfall that can be used by anyone interested in how these patterns are changing over time, because we have data for many years, more than 20 years, and how these patterns differ across geographies. By looking at data at the district level, we should be able to detect changing patterns of rainfall and whether it is becoming more erratic. The important input of rainfall is not only in terms of the crops in this season, but also crops in the next season by regenerating groundwater supplies. The Central Groundwater Board of Government of India is responsible for monitoring the status of groundwater, and it produces reports every few years providing the status of each block and each district with respect to groundwater. The data sets are available for the years 2004, 2009, 2011, 2013 and 2017. And in each of these years, each block and each district is categorized into one of four categories. It could be safe, which means there's nothing to worry about. It could be semi-critical, then critical, which is where all groundwater is being extracted at the rate at which it is being regenerated. And the worst category is overexploited. And as you will see in this data, the number of overexploited blocks and overexploited districts have been continuously increasing since the data set started appearing in 2004. Anyone who is interested, especially in this relationship between rainfall and groundwater, which comprises the water cycle and extremely important for Indian agriculture, will find in this data at the district level for more than 20 years detailed information that helps journalists relate it to the news cycle and important issues in Indian agriculture.